Okay, so for number 3, we want to know which binomial cannot be factored using real numbers. Essentially, we have to think back to our 13 things, right? So we have a squared plus b squared. We have a squared minus b squared. We have a cubed plus b cubed. And we have a cubed minus b cubed. And we have to figure out which one of these cannot be factored. We know that when we have a minus sign, we can break it into a plus b and a minus b, right? And then when we have these, we can also break those ones up. So the only one that does not factor is this one when we have squares and a plus sign. So if we're looking at this one has a cubed. This 64 right here, you think of what number can be multiplied by itself 3 times to get 64. So if you do 4 times 4, that's 16 times 4 gives you 64. So essentially this is the same thing as x cubed plus 4 cubed. So it's in this form right here. And the same thing with this one. It's x cubed minus 4 to the third, which is this bottom one. Okay, right here, this is the same thing as x cubed minus what times what would give you 64. So this is the same thing as saying 8 squared. So in our case, our a is x and our b is our 8, and we can split it up in this form. So a would be the answer here because we cannot write that in a factored form.